Hi, my name is Ruud, Kleinpaste, the Bugman. I've been a Mazda ambassador for a long time, working on projects like TREEmendous school makeovers and things like that. But recently we decided to step things up and get more into education. So we're now running TREEmendous as an education program. Simple as that. So what does that mean? Well, if you would be one of the winning schools, one of the 5 winning schools, you would get a visit from Riley, Elliott and myself. We'd be working with the kids to look at the environment and how they can enhance it and what they can learn from it. And then on day 2, I'll come back and work with teachers for a whole day. It could be anything about how to enhance your school grounds and make it into an outdoor classroom, or start a really cool project. Look, the possibilities are endless, and all the information is on the website treemendous.org.nz. Oh, and one of the schools will also win $5,000 that can be spent on enhancing the environment of the school grounds, or it could go towards funding some of this project that you may come up with. So put your thinking cap on and apply, and hopefully we will see each other on TREEmendous Education Programme. Wouldn't that be great?